Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in Alexander Springs. It's gonna be a laid back camping experience today. I didn't bring the boat. I'm not jumping on the water. I'm not doing a whole lot of things. More relaxing. I'm starting my camping season slow, but since I'm already here, I'm gonna show you guys the springs. I'm gonna show you guys the canoe launching place. The campsite is not ready yet. It'll be ready in a couple hours. I will show you guys that once it's prepared. Unfortunately, I cannot shoot the drone from here. However, I can go outside, shoot the drone in the air, and capture everything. So I'm planning to do that. To go outside, shoot it on the air, so you guys can see everything from the air, see the springs from the air, see the river run as well. It should be pretty cool footage. Anyway, let me go ahead and grab my stuff and head towards the springs. Show it to you. All right, so the canoe kayak launch is right here. This is the day use area. I'm gonna be going to the day use area, and it all connects together. You will see once I reach the end, you will see it. Everything connects. Here's a concession area. I believe it's closed right now, and yeah, let's head to the springs and the day use area so I can show it to you guys. All right, so I'm entering the day use area right now. It's pretty big. It's got a lot of tables. Today is Sunday, so it's gonna be a little slow today. Actually, I'm glad I did. But these places get usually packed within Fridays and Saturdays. They get quite packed. You have to reserve the pavilions online in order to get them. Anyway, Springs is over there, and I'm gonna head over there. All right. Here is the Springs. Beautiful place, man. It's gorgeous. Look at that. It's just amazing. And that's where the main spring heads is at. Right over there. You guys will see it from the air once I get the drone out. But I cannot do it in here, unfortunately. Alright. Anyway, the canoe kayak launch connects in that corner. I'm gonna go over there, show it to you guys. All right, here is the canoe kayak launch section. It's not that far from the parking lot. It's a bit of a walk, but it's not that bad. You guys will see. Here's the path that connects into the parking lot. Over there. Here's the canoes. Here's the launch pad. Watch out for alligators. That's for sure. Man, it's real pretty. And there's a lookout post over there. There's a trail that goes across. I'm gonna go there next and show it to you guys. All right. Let's go to the trail. Oh man. The trail that goes into the lookouts over there is closed for now. For renovations, and that's just baloney. That blows. Oh well. It is. It is. I guess it definitely needs renovation. It seems to be uneven, probably rotten. It's like wood in there. Yeah. What a shame. Still looks pretty cool. All right. Well, only one thing to do. I'm gonna go outside and shoot the drone so you guys can see everything. Let me get to that. That is not a trail. That's for the rangers. They have offices and stuff back there, so that's not for recreational purposes. In case you guys come here, you see that. That's what it is. All right, let me go and head outside. I want to shoot the drone. Here's a sign. I cannot do it within the park, so, and I would like to come back here, so. It's one of my favorite places to go camping. I don't want to be notorious for bad things. I'll break a few rules here and there, but there's some that I don't want to break for obvious reasons. I like to come back here again and again and again. It's really nice. Anyway, let me shut up. Let me head outside. All right, so I came out of the park on the entrance, and I'm right here. And the entrance of one of the biggest trails. I think several miles in there. I'm not gonna go in actuality, however. Right here, I'm gonna take off the drone so you guys can see the park, the springs from the air, and the river run. Let me go and get everything prepared. Take me a minute. Alrighty, I think I'm about ready. I think I got everything checked. Let's see.
Tow point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There we go. I think we're ready. Let's go. All right. Well, I believe you guys saw the great majority of the park itself, from just the entrance of the park with the drone, the springs, the head springs, the river run. I was surprised that I was actually able to still see. I mean, that's like at least a mile from here, and it held up really nicely. I'm glad with this drone. You know, I was thinking I'm gonna go into that trail. I think I will. Just, I don't know, maybe a quarter mile and see what's up. All right, it's my first time taking this trail. All the years I've been visiting this place, I've never gone through this trail. Well, I'm gonna check it out, see what's it about. Let's get to it. Not deep into the trail, maybe like 500 feet. Looks like people have done bonfires here. I wonder if they camped out here by themselves. Will this be an area you can camp? I wonder. 'Cause I wouldn't mind it. You know, chilling out here in the wilderness like that. That'd be sweet. Yeah. Oh crap, I lost the trail. Okay, there it is. There's the trail. All right, let me get back into it. One thing is for sure. It is really, really quiet out here. Like very quiet. Really quiet. Now I brought with me, I don't think I will ever need it, but I brought with me my Rock Island Armory BBR 3.0 chamber M45. It's basically a baby 2011. Fortunately, YouTube is very picky about that, so I cannot show you guys. However, I have it with me. I hope not to use it, but I have it. I noticed that the trail has the signs, little yellow signs, so it's hard to get lost. So that's good. And the trees are marked, which is good. See? They're marked in blue. So if you happen to get lost, you can definitely see the trail marks and follow the tree signs. And I think you can get back. I've done about a quarter mile. Nothing worth mentioning that I haven't seen, besides the beauty of the forest. Nothing noteworthy. I'm trying to see if I can find like a little plateau. If I can find it, shoot the drone from the air. You can see them when I'm in the middle of the forest. I want to see if I can pull that off. A lot of spider webs. I've been getting caught with a lot of spider webs. Anyway, let me continue. On my way in, I saw this. Bicycle trails this way. Follow the trail, foot travel only. It's this way, so I keep going straight. One thing I've noticed that I don't feel like I'm getting lost, so that's not bad. Now what I'm gonna do right now, this part right here, this little fork, I'm gonna shoot the drone from the air and let you guys see from top. All right. That was actually fun. I was able to see a large portion of the forest where I'm at. You guys saw, going up. That was cool. All right, so now I'm gonna head back into the park because I believe my friend Jason is about to arrive. He's gonna be arriving here. He's gonna be camping with me tonight. He promised he's gonna make some burgers. I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, I'm gonna head back into the park and see if I can meet him. All right, so I just got out of the trail. My friend Jason is here. He wants to come check it out as well. I'm gonna go meet him and then heading back to the trail. It is what it is. Well, you guys already seen some of the stuff, so I'm not gonna show you that already. All right, so here's my friend Jason.
Hello, everybody.
Check out his channel. He's got a cooking channel. I'm gonna put it in the description below. It's pretty cool. He's starting some good stuff. He's one of my pupils, man. It's awesome. See him grow. It's awesome. And now we're gonna get some lunch real quick before we head out to the hiking because we're gonna be walking a lot and burning a lot of calories. We need to get fed. Let me go get some food real quick. I'll be right back. All right, so we just finished eating lunch. We entered the trail you guys saw earlier, but now I got my friend Jason. There was a couple that I saw earlier, and they told me that the trail goes for like 10 miles plus. We're not gonna do that. Probably do a couple miles, and then we head back. If I see anything worth watching or mentioning it or saying about, then I'll show you guys. And I still got some battery left on my drone, so if I can, get a cool shot of the drone, I'll do it. Anyway, so go ahead and continue. But I don't think we're gonna see a whole lot. All right. Okay, so we came across some signs. This is Alexander Springs, half a mile. Okay, so this is the sign to Alexander Springs, half a mile there. But here, we had Clearwater Lake, 10 miles. Holy guacamole. Yeah, we're not doing 10 miles that way. We'll probably go this way. I think we should go this way because it's shorter. Yeah, we're going this way. Saw something cool. All right. We found a bridge on a trail. Not too bad. Falling apart, but yeah.
On the orange trail.
Yes, this section is a bit unkept. Not gonna lie. Alrighty, here we go. We keep on going. So the bridge collapsed section.
We're not walking through the swamp.
Can't continue. We're not walking through the swamp. We're going back. Oh man, we're gonna catch ticks. I'm not a big fan of ticks. They suck, literally. They suck.
We're out of here, folks.
All right, we're heading back. No. No. So much for an endorsement like myself.
Yeah, I have a feeling that couple didn't come this way because that bridge is out, my man.
No, they went the other section.
Oh,
Check yourself, make sure you got no ticks.
Yeah.
I'm checking myself.
Oh,
Check yourself for ticks.
yeah.
We're good. Okay, now we're heading back. It's like 12:15 right now. By the time we get back, I'm sure our campsite will be ready. We'll show you guys everything over there. Heading back. All right, so now we are in the camping site. Let me show you guys. This is campsite number 14. Looks really nice. They just cleaned it up. Very nice, people. Not too shabby. All right, it's time to get the campsite set up. Show you guys once everything is ready. I'm gonna set up the tent and all that good stuff. Okay, everybody. So here's the campsite. It's already set up. We got the barbecue over there. That's the bear safe. You can save all this food stuff, put it in there. But I'm gonna leave my stuff in the car. We're gonna have the fire. We got the wood. More wood over there. We got our chairs set up over here. Jason got his tent. I got mine set up. They're very similar. Let's see what else. I think that's about it. We're a little tipsy actually. We had a few shots of whiskey. I'm on vacation, baby. Okay. So I can do it. All right, so right now I think that after this and we set up, Jason's gonna check out the springs himself. He's making his own video, by the way. I'm gonna put links below for his channel, his cooking channel too, by the way. Yeah, it's just a little secret. He's one of the few people that I actually taught how to do YouTube, and I'm so proud of him. I hope he sees this, Jason. I'm proud of you, dude. You are doing something with what I taught you, and that makes me feel really good. Yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and continue. Well, right now I've shown you guys a lot from the air, from the ground, plenty to see. I found a few ticks on my arm. I killed them. Chances are by the time I get home, I'm gonna find a few more. So now all that's left is nighttime. Still got a couple hours. I'm gonna take Jason to the spring so he can see it. And bonfire, dinner. It's gonna be a nice, chill, laid back camp. All right, we got Mr. Chef Kaibo over here. He's about to cook some burgers.
I'm gonna do some burgers
Some burgers.
with cheese
Hell yeah.
and bacon.
Bacon.
Gotta have bacon
Gotta
on a
have
burger.
some bacon.
Especially if you're having a whiskey burger.
Whiskey burger. So I know we don't talk about that a lot on YouTube because I like to keep my channel as PG-13. Let's just say that we're slightly what's called inebriated. Just slightly. A quick glance. Quick glance. Not a lot going on. That's all I can show you. Because after all, my channel is PG-13. So we're gonna get dinner ready. Start the fire soon. It's gonna be a nice night. All right, we got here the Simple Chef. He's got some bacon, like real bacon being cooked on. Some of them burgers. Woo!
Coming at you.
Yeah, that's right. Woo! All right, so the Simple Chef has finished cooking for the most part. Here's the final product. Ooh, it's looking good. All right, so right now we're getting the fire started. It's starting up. It'll take a minute. I'll show you guys that when the sun comes down. We'll finish with that. Everybody, evening time has arrived. We got the fire going. It's very nice. Our bellies are full. We have some nice burgers. Got my setup right here. Little torches. Got his tent. And with this, guys, I want to say good night. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Later.